Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, in the sales department at Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. This video is for those that just purchased their awesome Honda Accord Sport. I'm talking about the 2019, 2020 Honda Accord Sport. I'm going to show you guys how to customize your vehicle settings so when you get your vehicle, you know how to set everything the way you want it so you're set for success when you drive off the lot, okay? You guys have any questions, drop them down below in the comments. If you guys want more of a detailed walk-around video, check out my walk-around video. I'll be glad to show you guys all the cool standard features and functions from that point. All right, now let's go show you how to set up your vehicle so you're set for success right now. All right, so here we are right inside the Honda Accord Sport. At the moment we're at the home menu. The vehicle's obviously on, so we're going to come over here to settings. From settings we're going to come down to vehicle settings, and then we're going to start from the top and work our way down to the bottom here. First thing that's going to pop up is your tire pressure monitoring system calibration. If you ever get a low tire pressure light, oh, there's one right now, for example, just kind of came on and off. That's where it's going to be at. You can reset that by hitting calibrate, all right? And boom. So just make sure you get out there, double check your tire pressure before you reset that, or if it comes right back on after resetting it, you may have to double check it, all right? Now the next thing we're going to have is your driver's assist system setup. This is where you can customize all of your Honda sensing features, stuff like that. Top one is the traffic sign recognition system. So as you're driving down the road and finds a speed limit, it's going to throw a speed limit sign right up here. You know, let's say it says 35, it says boom, 35 speed limit, okay? This is simple on or off. I'm going to keep it on, but if you ever want to turn it off, you may select that. There's no right or wrong answer when it comes to this. It's just really kind of setting up the vehicle the way you want it, all right? You got your forward collision warning distance right here. Gives you 3 different stages when you want it to warn you. You want that set at normal, short, or long. If it senses you're going to hit an object in front of you, I'm going to keep it on normal as the default from there. You may double check the owner's manual or online what the exact distance is from that point, but Honda has it on normal for a reason. Now you get your ACCs, your adaptive cruise control, forward detection beep. What I liked about the Honda Accord is going to show you a little summary of what we're looking at here so you don't have to memorize this stuff. I'm going to turn this on so next time we're out there driving around for a test drive, people know about all the beeps, stuff like that. So pretty much when I have my adaptive cruise control on, we're driving, it finds a car in that range, whatever the distance may be set at, it's going to beep at me to let me know, hey, we're slowing down because I found a vehicle. Now we're going to have the lane keeping assist. It's off. I'm going to turn this on. So when you have your lane keep assist, is this right here with the hollowed out dotted lines right now. When you go the proper speed between 45 and 90 miles an hour, it finds lines on the road, be filled in white dotted lines, all right? So when I get on my lane a little bit, it's going to beep, 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 and brings you back, okay? So, yeah, I don't think I'm too bad of a driver right now, so let's get all the beeps on. You got your road departure right here. You can change the sensitivity for the road departures. You go out of your lanes, off the road, stuff like that. It's on wide right now. Let's put it on normal. If you just want it to warn you and not bring you back, that's where you're going to set it to warn you only, okay? Scroll down one more, driver's attention monitoring right here. So pretty much the car is going to know when you're doing a really bad job at driving. It's going to be like, whoa, Chris, you need to pull over and take a break, you know. The car is going to do everything in its power right now the way it's set at to tell me to take over, you know, pull over and take a break. So I'm going to keep that on. Most likely you guys will never experience it, but why not if I need it? From there we're going to hit the back button. We have your meter set up. You may select the different languages. Your outside temperature right here. So you can fine tune your outside temperature gauge if you want to within a 5-degree swing. Would keep it there. Adjusted alarm volume. As you guys can read that pretty much with my turning indicators and the door warning opening, all that kind of warning systems. I'm going to keep it on medium. If you guys need to, it's too loud, you know what to do. Turn it down on low. If it's not loud enough, go on high. You can reorganize all of your stuff right in here. So we kind of select home. It won't let me do it right now. But the order for like my tachometer, fuel range, if I want to turn things off, like I don't think I need to know what my fuel range is, which is currently up right now on the driver's interface. So if I save that, it won't be up there. But I'm going to keep everything activated right here. Your fuel efficiency backlight. So this is pretty much the color of the lighting right up here as you're driving down the road. You're being fuel efficient. It's going to go from white to green to give you a visual confirmation that, hey, you're being a good fuel efficient driver, kind of a little visual coaching. Then when you're not, it's just going to be white. simply on or off. You got your trip A and trip B. When do you want those to reset? Same thing with trip B. We got your tachometer right here. I'm going to turn this on just because I like the visual. So no matter what I have right up here, as you can see now, it's right up there on available at all given times, no matter what I have displayed right there. You got your speed and distance. Now that's everything underneath meter setup. We're going to come right down here to lighting setup. Your auto light sensitivity. So you can pretty much, when you have your headlights on auto, as they are right now, between day and night time, how soon do you want headlights to automatically come on? When it's set to auto. You got your interior right here. It kind of shows right there. Auto lights, headlights on when wiper comes on. So a lot of my headlights are on auto once again. My wipers come on, boom, headlights automatically come on. Why not? So you got your headlights when you want those to turn off. So let's say I get out of the car, shut the door, the car's off, boom, in X amount of time, my headlights will turn off. Maybe I get, to work super late at night or home super late at night. I can't see, need a little more area, a little more light and time. 30 seconds, boom. Maybe you park in the garage, you may be home before dark, I don't know. You don't need maybe 30 seconds. Your interior lights, same thing. Shut off the car, shut the door in X amount of time, your interior lights will turn off. That sounds good, 30 seconds. Now that's everything underneath the lighting setup. Got to roll down the window, a little warm in here right now. Perfect. You have your door and window setup. Your auto door right here, lock. Auto door lock. Just got in the car. When do you want your doors to lock? With speed, when you shift and park, or have it off. Next thing I'm going to have is going to be a key and remote. Right here. So, do you want your all doors, driver's side door? This is when you're using the key fob. Simply just hit unlock or lock. So I hit lock now, do I want all doors? So I hit unlock right now, do I want all doors? Or do I just want the driver's side door? I hit unlock on the key fob. You got a security timer. You hit unlock on the key fob, right? X amount of time, if no one opens up a door in 90 seconds, all the doors automatically relock, okay? So maybe, Lucy wasn't fast enough to get out there and get the door. Don't tell her that, she'd get mad at me. All right, well, we just did a security timer. Sorry about that, guys. You got your keyless lock answer back. So you hit lock or unlock, do you want the lights to flash and you want it to beep at you? Probably you do, so we'll keep that on. And then we're gonna have your auto unlock right here. So let's say we're out there driving around, right? I finally get to where I'm going. I wanna let the kids out. When will the doors unlocked? When I shut the car, when I shut to park, when I shut the car and do everything else until I open up a door. That's everything underneath door and window setup. We're gonna come right down here to maintenance. So now pretty much all of your maintenance stuff, you need to reset that. It's all right here for you guys, all right? There it is. So pretty nice and easy. Any other questions, guys, drop them down below in the comments. I appreciate you guys watching. Once again, congratulations on your new Honda Accord Sport, man. All right, we'll see you at the next video. Talk to you guys later.